Our friend Pete brought us in on a flip in Anaheim, California that we bought for $365,000. We've already been hit with new electrical and plumbing, and now we've just been informed that we need a new roof. So no matter what happens, we must replace it?
Yes.
Already?
And that's going to hinge on the next decision you have to make.
Okay.
We have these heaters that no longer work.
The floor heaters?
The floor heaters.
Well.
And their fire traps. In this particular house for heating and AC, you're looking at $6,000 versus we can put a double-sided wall heater here for less than $2,000.
Double-sided wall heater. We just got killed on the roof. We cannot put central AC and heat.
All right, wall heater it is.
Now that we're getting the roof replaced, we can start working on the finishes. We've decided to go with a more contemporary design using white cabinets and counters in the kitchen to make it feel bigger, and a mosaic backsplash to make it pop.
Do you see what I'm saying? If we do something that's like a little bit more bold, then I feel like it'll just really make it all come together.
You got it?
I think so. Perfect.
So we still need to do the caulking and stuff, but you know what? We have a lot of countertop.
Oh, yeah.
I brought some samples. I hope you like them, because I only brought 2.
Oh, so I guess I have no choice.
So here's what I was thinking. Just like the kitchen, we do the bathrooms a little bit more modern. I chose this. It's something different, but I think it's super cool. It's just 1x1s in white, and we could run it in the shower pan and the floor, and then the walls, we could do in this, which is really pretty color.
Okay, what color are you thinking for the cabinets and the counters?
I think exact same as the kitchen. This bathroom is gonna be like white on gray.
Maybe that's too much white. Why don't we just do gray 1x1 tile floors?
Yeah, that works.
Hey, oh, hey.
It looks amazing. The color looks phenomenal. Check out the mosaic.
Oh, wow. You know what? That's actually really cool.
It's really pretty, right? Love it.
This looks good.
Hey, I got some reinforcements here.
Sweet.
Wow, man.
Looks good, right?
Oh, yeah. We got a master suite finally.
All right, so you got some more tiles for me?
Yeah.
Okay, so the inside's almost done. Now we got this sand pit. There has to be a way to take this and convert it to a normal pool.
If you wanted to make it a normal pool, there's a lot of preparation work. What do you, I mean, we're talking like 7,000, right?
About 12,000.
Well, that's ridiculous.
Okay.
If you do the liner pool, you're not gonna know the difference. All we have to do is the new liner, replace the pump, and we're looking at about $4,000.
I mean, obviously, we need a step here. This is pretty unsafe if you're stuck in here. It's hard to get out for kids.
All right, so decision. We are keeping it as a lined pool.
All right. Not excited about it, but it is what it is.
I'm excited. We just saved like $8,000.
Exactly, that's a win.
Not only did we save money on the pool, but the pool liner only takes a few days, whereas converting the pool to plaster would take a few weeks. Now it's time to clean up the landscaping, finish painting the house, and come up with the list price. Before we go over the comps, let's talk about our numbers. Because I know you've been tracking the numbers on this one.
Yeah, so when we started, we were looking at a $45,000 budget. okay? And we had a roof situation, we had an electrical situation, we had a few other things come up. We're looking closer to 70,000.
Wow, so what is our break even here?
Okay, we got a break even of anywhere between 450, 455.
Okay, so you're not gonna like this. I ran the comps, houses with 2-car garages, selling between 450,000. The highest is 465,000. So there is a chance we make no money or lose money.
I just feel awful on this one. I'll take the hit. If this is a loser, I'll cover it.
We went into this together. We made the decision to partner. So if we win or if we lose, we're splitting it.
I appreciate that.
We're gonna list at 489.9, get it staged, photos listed, open house next week.
Perfect. I must say, this house is adorable.
It actually is a pretty cute house. I'll give you that.
Yes.
It's so nice how open it is. What do you think, Pete?
What's going on with the pool?
Uh-oh, there goes our beautiful yard. Jeez.
Yeah, that's a problem for this
Okay,
open house.
we already had a lined pool, which is a negative, and now we have a green lined pool.
I say we leave it until a pool guy comes.
You can't even
Hold on.
see to the bottom.
Ah, is it doing anything?
I'd say just shut it off. We need to get a pool company out. They can shock the pool, put new water in it, then run everything.
And in the meantime, you're just gonna tell buyers that it'll be fixed in a few days?
Perfect. It's the day of the open house, and we have a green pool. We're gonna get our pool guys to come out here and fix this. But in the meantime, we have buyers coming through the house today. This should be interesting.
All right, guys, I'm pregnant, I'm exhausted. I can't hang for this, so here's the flyers. House looks amazing. We did a great job here.
I'm gonna prove something that me and him are gonna outsell you. We're gonna get full price offer today.
That's fabulous, but the design is what sold it, which was all me, so.
Oh,
Have fun.
First of all, it was a team effort.
Yeah.
team effort, team effort.
Good
all right.
luck, boys.
You wanna put this one across the street?
Oh yeah.
Boy, don't you like the gray color? Very nice.
Hi, I'm Tarek.
Hi.
Thanks for coming by. I'll tell you a little bit about the house.
3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,450 square feet.
And we're listed at 489.9. Let us know what you think about the remodel and the price.
Wow, you've got a lot of counter space with this and with the little place over there.
Nice backsplash. And the laundry, that's convenient. Can't you imagine having dinner here? Visiting with our friends here. Daddy cooking in the kitchen. Ooh, look at the pool. Look at the dirty pool.
Goodness, it's green.
I don't care.
You don't care, but would you want to jump in it like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd kind of be worried about that.